Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking. In this video, we are going to examine Tools feature number 2, word count, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on Tools and click on word count, the following menu appears. I can now see the number of pages, words, characters, and characters excluding spaces that are present within my Google Doc. If I click on Display Word Count while typing and click on OK, a menu in the left-hand corner appears demonstrating the number of words present within my Google Doc. If I continue to type, this amount will increase. I can also click on the down arrow in order to see the number of pages, words, characters, and characters excluding spaces. I can also choose to hide this menu by clicking on the option listed here. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.